All right, so I've tried a bunch of the handheld battery operated pool vacuums. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this baby right here is the real thing. It works fantastic. This is the body of it. This is the on and off button here, all right? This is where you charge it, okay? This is where you charge it, all right? And I'm gonna show you guys how to set the sock in there. If you look right here, there's a little ring there, and here is your sock, right? This one I've already used a couple times and it works so good. And all you have to do is slip this down in there and smush it in. And I clean it with a hose. I just squirt it off, right? So now all the junk goes in here. You follow me? Now your head, this is the one I use. It comes with two different ones, but look on the interior of that. This one's good because it's big. You see what I mean? And the way you want to do it is you want this little arrow pointing up. You want the handle here and you want this way. And what you're going to do is you see these little nodules right here? I got to slide this thing right here in there. So once I get it in there, then all I got to do is twist it like that. All right, to undo it, I go this way, right? It comes off. To put it on, I go this way. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Now this is ready to go. All I've got to do is attach the, the handle on it. And the way it works, this is the best thing about this too, I'm gonna show you. When I push this in like this, these slide in, so you don't get your fingers pinched on it when you put it in. So that's what's the nice part about this. But this thing right here, without a doubt, this works fantastic on the pool. And I highly recommend getting one. So yeah, and you want to get it in the water, submerge it first before you turn it on, okay? And make sure, before you use it, that you do plug this in because you don't want water getting in there. And now I'm going to show you guys how to put the handle on. Okay, so here it is. I'm just going to pull this over and I'm going to slide this in, right? And when I get to right there, what I need to do is just squeeze these right here and then slide it on there. And it's ready to go. Let me show you. Take it off, squeeze it, pull it, put it on. There it is. You see how that is? I got to squeeze these, right? So I'm going to squeeze these. Let's see if I can do it reverse position and slide this up. Once I do that, I slip those in. See right there? And now I'm ready to go. Now here's my vacuum. Look at this thing. It's so long. I can't even show it to you. But now we're ready to put it inside of the pool and vacuum a little bit. Let's do it.